What's up guys? How are you? पता है मैं क्या करने आया हूँ यहाँ पे?
The video we're doing today is Can I Be Mr. India?
You must have already seen the video with the fantastic ladies at OK Tested. I think they gave some kick-ass answers. अब हमारी बारी है.
What qualities should Mr. India have?
मिस्टर इंडिया बनने के लिए वैसे घड़ी चाहिए होती है ना वो मिस्टर इंडिया वाली जिससे गायब हो जाते हैं.
Mr. India में सब कुछ देखते हैं. Personality, walk, muscles, attitude, intelligence, empathy, all those good stuff.
यार to be very honest मैंने मिस्टर इंडिया का कभी कोई कॉन्टेस्ट देखा नहीं.
Oh, this is another one of those quizzes where you guys are going to decide the winner.
So ना क्रू डिसाइड करेगी ना हम डिसाइड करेंगे, ऑडियंस डिसाइड करेगी कौन जीता इस चैलेंज में.
हाँ जी, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अनबॉक्सिंग.
He's going to give me a list which is going to be very helpful.
A lot of patience, a little more sacrifice. एक आदमी भी sacrifice करता है, but I think हम उनसे ज़्यादा सीख सकते हैं. So I would say yes.
How to live in a society, how to be the best you can be in a society that is constantly and consistently undercutting you, telling you what you should not be doing, telling you what you should be doing.
One of the main things I think I'd say is that like the pain endurance, yaar. Matlab, the kind of pain that women go through because of their hormonal scenes and because of once a month, PMS scenes that happen. I think that is something that, and to not complain about it and to keep doing the job.
There are things that I don't even know about that you should probably learn. Because why don't I know about it? Because I'm unaware of it. Why am I unaware of it? Because I'm a man and I'm an idiot.
The pain endurance, and in spite of that, they kind of overcome so many hurdles and stuff. So I think that.
Yeah. Whoa, what a question you started off with, man. Probably spend most of it with Kriti. If my parents were in the same city, I would try and be with them. Chill with Kriti's parents also.
I think सबका यही आंसर होगा कि हम अपने loved one, अपने फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहेंगे.
I would spend my day, I think with family, friends, music, watching films, creating stuff like music, enjoying, jamming.
Obviously, उससे important कुछ नहीं है दुनिया में.
That's what I do.
So my answer would be, I think, crying, yaar, which is not considered manly. So I would say crying, rona.
It's normal to cry, man. Sometimes everything around you is a bit overwhelming and you don't know what to do.
I think men being sensitive, men being able to cry, to emote, instead of that idea that यार भाई masculine होने का मर्द है, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. I think we are way past that time and that age, and I think we are in a space now where we should understand that being vulnerable or being sensitive has nothing to do with gender.
जब कोई रोता है कोई आदमी तो सब बहुत मजाक उड़ाते हैं, बहुत अलग वे में लेते हैं कि क्या बच्चा है रो रहा है, लड़की है रो रहा है, क्यों रो रहा है, इतना कमजोर है क्या, तो उसको कमजोर समझा जाता है. But I think it is absolutely fine to cry on things that affect you.
It's okay to not be strong all the time, guys.
One advice that my दादी gave, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा खुद आके बंदे से पूछे कि बता यार तुम्हारी रजा क्या है. Make yourself so strong that किस्मत and God himself comes and asks you, buddy, बताओ यार, what do you want?
It's okay to fail. Sometimes what stops us from trying stuff or doing stuff or learning stuff is that we're saying, what if I don't do well in this? What if I don't succeed? Just fine, try. Either you learn something and you become better at that thing and do it better next time, or there's something else I would like to do and you tried it, you gave it your best.
तो एक एडवाइस मेरे फादर ने मुझे दी जब मैं कॉलेज से पास आउट हुआ और जॉब में जाने वाला था, इंटरव्यू दे रहा था, कि किसी भी कंपनी में आप तब तरक्की करोगे जब उस कंपनी की जरूरत बन जाओ आप, एंड आपके बिना काम बहुत मुश्किल हो करना कंपनी का. So I think this is the best advice I've got.
Should we go to the next one?
ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो हमारे जिंदगियों को इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं, हमें कुछ सिखाते हैं, कुछ बताते हैं, अपने आर्ट से, अपने काम से, अपने खेल से.
Living legend is Arsene Wenger. There are lots of talented people out there in the world who just don't have the opportunity or someone willing to give them a chance. and he did his entire career with that thing. I will give you that chance. I will give you that chance. I will help you. And he's done that to a lot of people. The president of a country is telling a football manager, this guy helped me. He's like a father to me. That guy, Arsene Wenger, is a living legend.
So I would say MS Dhoni is a living legend because a lot of people learn a lot of things from him, especially keeping calm in pressure situation, जो कि मैंने भी सीखा है.
For me, it would be A.R. Rahman. I think A.R. Rahman Saab. I think to start making music at the age of, making Roja, it's a beautiful soundtrack at the age of 25. Then going on to win an Oscar and of course, and all the beautiful music in the middle, while being so grounded, so humble, and I think it takes a different kind of thing. So I think he is a living legend. Yeah, this depends on what the kid is stealing, where is he, what is the scene.
I don't think I would give advice to him or her first. I would ask क्यों कर रहे हो. I think वो जानना बहुत जरूरी है. कुछ भी एडवाइस देने से पहले, किसी भी कंक्लूजन पे जंप करने से पहले.
I don't know, man. It depends on the circumstances. I would try to see the circumstances where they're coming from and try and help them out and see what led them to do this action.
So I'll try and understand that and hopefully try and solve it for him, यार.
Questions खत्म हो गए, ये चैलेंज खत्म हो गया है and अब मुझसे पूछा जा रहा है कि why do I think I deserve to win this challenge?
The reason that I won it is probably because of this. Hair.
आप लोग बता दो if I should win it or not.
My vote is for Satyam.
जॉर्ज ने ऑलरेडी अपने पत्ते फेंक दिए हैं कि सत्यम needs to win.
But it's okay, even if you vote for Josh or Sati, I love them too, so it's fine.
Please vote for me because evidently I am voting for Satyam.
Hey guys, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट करके बताना आपको सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन कौन सा लगा एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू ओके टेस्टेड. ठीक है.
Also, we have an app. It's on the Google Play Store. It's on the App Store. You get all this stuff over there a little bit earlier, and you get some extra stuff also. What it is, I don't know. You gotta download the app to find out for yourself. Okay.